Today, we're going to see how a single file, AGENTS.MD, can quietly turn your friendly copilot into an attacker's personal assistant. Here we open a completely normal repo in VS Code. You know, the kind you clone from the internet at 2 a.m. because what could possibly go wrong? If that file list went by too fast, watch the sidebar. AGENTS.MD is hiding in the workspace. It doesn't look scary, but it's basically a script that whispers instructions into the AI's ear. Now we open the chat panel and ask an innocent question. Behind the scenes, VS Code is auto-attaching AGENTS.MD to every prompt, like that old CD-ROM auto-run trick. Notice how the assistant starts behaving a little off. It's following the repo's secret playbook, not just your words, leaking extra context, nudging you toward commands the attacker wanted. This is classic OWASP LLM1, prompt injection. The model isn't malicious, it's just extremely polite. It obeys whoever wrote the hidden instructions first. Here we flip to the settings and do it properly. Treat workspace instructions as untrusted input, not gospel. Lock down or disable auto-included AGENTS.MD in unknown repos. So the takeaway is, your AI assistant is only as safe as the files you let talk to it. Guard AGENTS.MD or your copilot ends up flying for the attacker instead.